But it's not seeing the dancing though. Or else it stops. No, it fell out. Oh, there it goes. Now can I see? That's so cool. Tuesday. See if I crank it. Oh my god, it's at low volume, it's still moving.
Yeah, because the speaker's still. Whoa. Now it sounds like
Can't go any louder and the tuning dial broke. How about this mode? It's dancing like crazy! It's still dancing even if you turn it off. Try and get something bigger to fill up in there. Teeny bit bigger. Like this. Robo head. Nope, that piece won't work. You're gonna see this one, guys. There you go. Your dancing piece inside your speaker. That's so cool. Let's see if we add two pieces, if I can find that little piece again. Oh. Now it's going nuts. The speaker's going nuts. See how it's not moving? But when I turn it up, it starts moving like crazy. I want to get this thing to shut off. Are you still watching your videos or are you picking a new video? Oh, it's getting possessed. Let me hit it harder on those button turning dials. First volume. Stupid alarm clock. Oh, hey, it's blinking. Dad, listen to that sound when the light blinks. Woo! speaker stop dancing? Dancing speakers. Going nuts! Oh, there you go. Come on. Start wiggling. Pull in.
Oh my god, this was butthurt because I said he had a big stomach. He can't let it go. He can't let it go. You're skinny? Yeah, and you have a skinny Winnie too.
Who has a skinny Winnie?
Winnie too. Trolling. That's cool, huh? Dennis is beyond lame. Dennis the Menace. Oh yeah, that's cool. Dennis is the big bitch.
Let's smash it on the LCD.
Come on, man. Follow me.
There we go. That LCD time. So close.
Come on, follow me. Let's go.
Maybe if I put a thing on top of that speaker, it won't dance. Nope. Only inside. Ooh, it's gonna see that differently. It's right here, guys. Aww. Fell in. Dad, I got it stuck in there.
You ain't drop kicking shit. You're only drop kicking your fucking stomach that's fucking hanging to the floor, you little bitch.
I got it stuck in there and they can't see it. There we go.
You're at 8 minutes. And you got squares.
What?
And you got a bunch of squares.
Oh!
Yeah, I know you are. You can tell.
Oh.
You can tell. You're a little bitch. You're the one asking for it, homeboy. Look at almost 2,000 live watching you act like a little bitch. Almost 2,000 live. Bring your stomach, get your bitch ass inside, you motherfucker. You little crybaby bitch.
Turn off that video.
Go ahead, one more time. Troll it one more time, man. Troll it one more time. Here we go. Here we go, guys.
Popped it.
Go listen to your dad, you little bitch. Hey, slave. Slave, get back to work, slave. You got a job to do, slave. You don't have
Aw.
free time. You're a slave to this company. Shut up.
Aww. Dad, I popped it.
Yep. You done it good. You're gonna get zapped. This fool ain't no boss.
I'll get zapped.
Remember where that power cord goes to. That's the converter. That's where it goes from power to the wall
You guys
to.
remember this face here, guys. Remember this face.
Converter, sorry.
Converters can't shock you?
Converts, yeah, well, it converts 110 power to 12 volt or 9 volt or 6 volt, whatever this volt needs to power that.
Alright. You got it recorded, man. Don't worry.
Whoa. Oh, speaker's trying to turn on.
Leave the stuff behind. Somebody else will pick it
Okay, I thought this was the inverter, but look, this is the battery compartment,
up. Biggest
and it
bitch
just
on
came
YouTube
off its
right
little
now, man. I
spool.
think I'm gonna retitle this video. Biggest bitch on YouTube.
Okay, there's the inverter. Until that display goes out, we unplug. There's the inverter, which you could get shocked by touching that.
Did you hear a high-pitched sound? Or the-
It breaks. Brakes of the bus. I see the display right here.
I got him, bro. Thank you. You know your people sent me over here to find you.
There we go. Got that off. Took care of that. Now here's the display. Dad,
Yes.
look what I found.
What?
The screen.
Yes. Do not go anywhere near where that converter is. And you know where it is? It's at the very end of where that power cord comes in.
I think these clocks need a converter. Oh my goodness. It's trying to come on. That's the inverter right there. That metal block is the inverter. We can't touch that converter. I killed this radio. No, it's not that. It's dead. Ooh, that's pretty dead now. He ain't talking now. Meow, 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 meow. Oh my god. I can barely see through those. Anyways, there's what's inside of a LED clock with LEDs in it. Ooh, that pixelated display. All the pixels in it. Let's smash it on this display. I'm gonna be careful for the inverter. That power cord. Oh! It's still working! There you can see it's dead. All these got popped. And there you go. There's your whole clock. See if we can smash it on those LEDs. Pop them now. Nope, they're still working. Here's what your display looks like. There, it's leaning up against here so we could get a good hit. Popped it now. Oh my god. I split it in two, but it still works. Why is the heater making noise? Here's the other part of that display. And now look. We only got this piece working, guys. That's the only piece that runs. My heater's making some obnoxious noises, or pretty weird ones. This light is blinking. Let's put it gun. I cut the display in half, but look! It's still running.
Okay, are you getting zapped by the inverter?
I'm not
or
touching
anything?
I'm not
Okay, you're
touching
up
the
to 14
converter.
minutes on your video.
Let's end that with a burnt out display. Nope.